Hi, I'm Joey with Husky Towing. Today I want to take a look at the Husky fifth wheel hitches in a box. This is a palletized unit available with the 16K and the 26K hitches. Let's take a look. We're removing the top of the box. We see the packaging is designed to protect the fifth wheel hitch. When we open the box, we're going to find the instructions in the handle up top, as well as some hardware. Once removing the protective foam on top, you'll see that the four tubes here protect the top of the hitch from being damaged or crushed in the event we need to stack these units. What you'll find in the box is the base. This base then will come out, pin in the truck. No assembly required to that base. The next thing you'll see in the box is the hitch head. We're simply just going to remove the pin, install the head on top of the base, put the pin back in. The only thing left to do would be put the two bolts into the handle, and that customer is ready to tow. We're here to save you time, we're here to save you money and offer you a great product, and we can do that here with the 16K and 26K Husky fifth wheel hitches. For information on this or any other great Husky product, visit us at huskytow.com.